the like button and press subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss the updates. We are going to make a video on the books which has been prescribed by the DGCA and AME license exams and its module for which you have referred through CAR 66, and you have to go through line by line, and if possible line by line try to understand and then memorize it. See, first of all, the topic best is to go through the mathematics and physics. Initially, what happens in US and other countries where 10th is the basic education to get in aircraft maintenance mechanic, where their mechanic is also called an engineer, but here +2 level is required for the AME, aircraft maintenance course, as well as appearing for the license examination after having some experience for that. And module is also at the same time maintaining the same kind of studies. There are several books, manuals, and reference guide which you will be required to know several years questions, and manuals such as maintenance data sheets which is given by the manufacturer and brought to the any other country where it is such as you will take an example of India, where the DGCA is the authority for getting this kind of papers such as type certificate. Now we are much concerned with the aircraft rules, which is having an Aircraft Act 1934, in which we are much concerned to, in case of maintenance, we are much concerned from aircraft rule 49 to 62. See, aircraft 42 has got a different parts, A, B, C, D, E, mostly concerned with the type certificate. So how it could be available, and how wherever it is applicable, and what to be applicable in this type of type certificate. You have to go through the aircraft rules and regulations in a book, and through this rules on the 49 to 62. Thereafter you have to go for the CR1, that is Civil Airworthiness Requirement Volume 1 and Volume 2. And now I will take these books later on, or take this topic later on, but first of all we will go two basic subjects such as mathematics and physics. How the mathematics is required and how physics is required, we will discuss later on physics, but we are going to learn mathematics, how it is required for the aviation mechanic or in aviation field. See, aviation mechanics are often involved in some sort of mathematical computations of some sort, tolerance, and to close the case of structure related to power. See, there are many geometrical figures which you will encounter while doing aircraft maintenance, such as different geometrical shapes, wing span, wing area, and the different types of tools which is used for either drilling or tapping or rimming. These kind of things you will be generally encountered in doing the maintenance from time to time. See, how mathematics is to be learned basically. However, I am taking one book help, which I won't say here, because see, taking help of the book is not restricted, because it is taken that you have to take the reference of those books. I'm not taking exact the numbers or example of that. I'm just concerned about the figure of that example. But as soon as whatever things related to aircraft, which is not learned by the people before learning of the mathematics. In the mathematics, there are certain things such as wingspan and these all mean chord and reamers, drill. These are you have not learned in school days, which I tried to discuss in this mathematics top, topics. See, actually the question will be asked in the multiple choice question, that is MCQ, and it has got different marks in different modules, which you will be studying in CR 66 about these all things, that what are the modules and what modules is required in the piston engine or jet engine, as well as different kinds of things, airframe and all other things. For mathematics, as I concerned, that you must be having knowledge of number system, geometry. You must have knowledge of number system, geometry, integers, fractions and decimals, data handling, mensurations, algebra, ratio and proportion, symmetry, and practical geometry. So along this knowledge we can find out the different things. Now what I want to say, you are knowing about these all things, but certain things will come in the example, such as spark plug and many things such as piston, rings, cylinder, volume of that, area of wingspan. These all will be discussed in the example, but this is written in a book which is given as an example, but this thing has to understood to those persons that what is this, what is span, what is area of the wing. This is only known by one has gone to the school of AME or when it has been practiced in the practical field.